Hello, my name's Tom Jenkins. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of ETOA, and it is an enormous privilege for me to be talking to you today. And I'd also like to salute the leadership shown by the Guizhou government in organising this conference on an all-important matter for the tourism industry. Cultural tourism lies at the bedrock of the European tourism offer, and we've been increasingly excited over the years at the numbers of genuinely sophisticated and interested Chinese visitors arriving here. Now, this has obviously taken something of a hit over the last few months, but I'm sure the market will return. This virus problem has been a worldwide problem, and I think there will be a worldwide recovery of confidence within the next 3 to 6 months. And when that occurs, I think there will be huge opportunities for people, online players such as Ctrip, to make the most of what will be a very open, very competitive, very interesting market. And I look forward to welcoming you over here.